All right, YouTube. This is it's me, Barrington. I have to show you guys this table chair. I guess it's an antique chair. A friend brought to me. She wanted to see if I could fix it. I'm not experienced in doing these chairs or any type of furniture, but this looked pretty simple. Right here, this see if I can. There we go. This board right here is looks like a 1x3 right here. So I'm gonna take this out. It has two screws in here and two screws here in the back. I'm gonna take this piece out, unscrew these two screws, take this out, and do the same for this right here that's damaged in the front. We're gonna take this off. And here's the leg. As you can see, one of the dowels broke off and it's still stuck in the chair here. But we're gonna take this out, drill this piece out to get it, and then replace a new dowel in here. Replace these two boards here, drill in, put them back, the new boards, put them back in here, screw them back in, and put in the new dowel. And that should put the, once we have everything in place, I could just, put that back together, put some glue in, screw it up, and we should be good to go. But just going over the design. I did this table too. I didn't show you guys this, but I did this table. Just kind of put some things together here just so I can have a workbench. And that's it. So this is not gonna be a long video. I just want to show you guys this chair and how to fix this broken leg. If you guys have a broken leg, that's how you would fix this chair, or at least how I would fix it. And I don't have a background in cutting wood or anything like that, but we're gonna do the best we can here. Just use a little bit of I don't know, intuition, I don't know, ingenuity, common sense, I don't know. But we're gonna get started. So here we go.